Have you wondered what is the best Amazon FBA software suite of tools? Well, today I'm going to be comparing Jungle Scout versus Helium 10, so stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and lately I've been getting a ton of questions regarding what is the best Amazon FBA software tool, and people are asking me what's better, Helium 10 or Jungle Scout. And so what I want to do in today's video is just break down what I think is the best software tool. I'm going to be breaking down the pricing, comparing the actual tools, what they come with, what are the differences, and I'm going to show you guys everything that you guys need to know about the Jungle Scout suite of software tools versus the Helium 10 suite of software tools. But before we dive into the video, I just want to dive into my seller account, keep you guys updated on my sales. So right now it is just 4 o'clock, and in the last 30 days, I've done over 62,000. And today alone, I've done over 2,500, as you guys can see right here. So 2,500 and then just over 62,000. And the reason why I share that with you is to let you know that I am a current FBA seller and that I know the differences between these software tools. I've used them personally inside my FBA business, and I just want to let you know that what I'm about to share with you is up to date, it's current, and I use these software tools, and that is the reason why I'm giving you guys my honest review and opinion between Jungle Scout versus Helium 10. So if you guys are new to the channel, I'd recommend subscribing so that you guys stay up to date on my new videos that I'm dropping every single week. And without further ado, without talking anymore, let's dive into the video where we're going to compare both of these software tools. So we'll see you inside. Alright, so here we are inside my screen where we're going to be comparing Helium 10 versus Jungle Scout. We're going to be bouncing back and forth, going to be looking at the pricing, the different tools that Jungle Scout has that Helium 10 doesn't, and vice versa. I also put together a Word document, a PDF that you guys can download in the free Facebook group, where it basically is going to show you comparing both of these tools, showing you guys the pricing, which tools Helium 10 has that Jungle Scout doesn't, and vice versa. So that's you guys can download that by joining the Facebook group. But if we go back to Jungle Scout, what we're going to do is go to the web app. So this is one of their main products, and we're just going to compare the standard $69 per month plan, which comes with the product database, the product tracker, supplier database, keyword scout, and the niche hunter. And the one thing that Helium 10 does not have inside of this suite of tools is the supplier database. So that is one of the tools that Jungle Scout has on Helium 10. And my kind of opinion on the supplier database is it's a great tool to go in, vet your suppliers, find the best manufacturer, and it can be super valuable. I mean, the more data, the more information you have can help you find the best manufacturer, and that's a very crucial part when it comes to selling on Amazon. But do I think it's necessary? By all means, I would say no, because I mean, I've been selling since 2017. I found suppliers without having the supplier database. I've had a lot of success with it. So I don't think that this is a make or break tool, in my opinion, to spend the $69 to have just the supplier database. Now, if you want to go get it, I think it's great. It has a lot of good, valuable information, but I don't think by all means it's absolutely necessary to succeed with Amazon. So that is for 69 bucks. You get all of these tools, and if we go to Helium 10 and go to pricing, you're going to see that black box is similar to the product database. Magnet 2 is similar to Keyword Scout. You have the keyword tracker, which Jungle Scout has as well. And we're going to be comparing to the Platinum plan. So the Platinum plan is 97 bucks. It comes with all of these tools. So it's like 15 plus. It also comes with like the review downloader, the profitability calculator, some other plugins that are super cool, which I'll show you. But you're going to have access to every single one of these tools for $97. And what's cool is everything that you're going to see right here for 97 bucks is everything that you need when it comes to software tools when it comes to selling on Amazon. So that's why I like Helium 10, is because it just provides everything inside one suite of tools, which is really convenient and nice. And also we'll kind of compare the pricing and see how it competes to Jungle Scout. So right now we have the $69 plan right here and the $97 plan, but we're just kind of scratching the tip of the iceberg. Now let's go and compare the Chrome extension. So right here, the Chrome extension, and we'll compare kind of the pricing plans of the different of the Chrome extension versus the Helium 10 Chrome extension. So right here, if you guys don't know what the Chrome extension is, if you go to Amazon, you can click right here. This is the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. I click on it, and it's basically going to pull up a bunch of information, estimated revenue, the amounts of reviews. It's going to give you guys a rating, the average reviews. So it's really important to have this information to know whether or not a product is viable. And this is a great tool to have, and it's going to help you so much with product research. But to kind of show you guys the difference between the two plans, right here, again, I'm going to go with the Chrome Pro extension because that's what I would recommend if you're going to get Jungle Scout. The Pro just provides more data. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's going to be $197 annual fee. So you're going to pay $197 every single year to have this Chrome extension. So that's about just under $17 per month if you broke it down per month, but you do have to pay all up front, the $197, where Helium 10, if we go right here, it's going to be $17 per month if you just wanted that. If you didn't want any other tool, it's going to be $17 per month, but that's month to month. You can cancel anytime. So maybe you're doing product research for 3 months really hard, and then you take a break for like 2 months because you're on vacation, or maybe you just don't have time, or you're busy with your one products that you just launched. You can cancel, and then you can resubscribe. So that's a pro, in my opinion, where you're not locked in for an entire year. But again, the X-Ray Chrome extension is included inside the Platinum plan. So, I mean, right there, $97. This one's $69. If we go back to the web app, the pricing of the web app was $69. So that just right there, you pay for the Chrome extension plus the web app. You're way over that $97 for that first month. And I'm going to kind of break down on the PDF, which it'll make more sense once we get to it. But those are kind of the differences between the Chrome extension. One's a month-to-month basis, and then the other is an annual fee of $197. So those are those two tools kind of comparing. Now let's go to what's called Jump Send. This is by Jungle Scout. This is the automated email sequence sender, where you don't have to manually send the emails. As soon as someone purchases your product, you follow up with an email sequence trying to get product reviews, avoid negative seller feedback, and things of that nature. So this is a great tool, and we'll just kind of compare the Entrepreneur plan, which is $59 per month, because I have more than 3 products, so I would need the Entrepreneur plan. You get 10 product limit, but you get unlimited emails, which is going to be $59 per month. And if we go to Helium 10, they have a tool which is called Follow Up, which is included inside the Platinum plan. And you get 5,000 emails per month to send. If you need to upgrade, you can, but that's included inside the Platinum plan. So let's go to that PDF document now, and this will kind of make more sense. So right here we have the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, which is $197. You have X-Ray, which is $17 per month, or it's included in the Platinum plan. Then right here we go to the Jungle Scout web app, which is $69 per month. And then if you get the Platinum plan, which is $97 per month, you get all of the tools inside the Jungle Scout web app except the supplier database for $97 per month. And then let's compare Fetcher and Profits. So Fetcher is an accounting software tool. To Profits, it basically tracks and shows your profitability. You can enter in expenses to see whether or not you're making money, you're losing money. It's kind of a cool tool to have. So if we go back right here, Fetcher is right here. You have the startup, the business, the enterprise. So depending on how many orders you're doing, you're going to have to pay accordingly to the plan. So I fall between the business and enterprise, which is kind of a bummer. It's a really big jump, $39 to $99. Some months I have just under 5,000. Some months I have more. So I'm in between that. So we'll just kind of compare the $39. And then if we go over to Helium 10, the profits is again included inside the platinum plan. So if you wanted it completely separate, it would be 37 bucks. So if we go back to the PDF, it's going to be 39 per month, and then profits is 37 per month, or you just get the platinum plan, which I'm comparing that kind of apples to apples, which comes with all of these different tools for 97 bucks. And then you have Jump Send, which is the automated follow-up email tool. And then you have follow-up, which is again included in the platinum plan. So if you basically compare Helium 10, the total price per month is 97. And if we go to Jungle Scout per month, if you just kind of get the basic startup plan, so that's just kind of the basic. If we go back to like Fetcher, you're getting 19 bucks. You're getting the starter at 29 bucks. You're getting the Jungle Scout web app at the cheapest. I think it's at if we go to monthly, it's $39 per month. If you just kind of get the basic, the lowest tier plan, you're comparing $107 right here, $107 compared to the 97 with Helium 10. So that's $10 more, and that does not include the Chrome extension. So you have to take that into account. These prices do not include the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, so you have to add another $17 per month basically, or actually it's $197 all up front, but if you were to divide it between 197 divided by 12, it's just shy of $17. So you're looking at that price comparing at just the startup plan. And what's kind of crazy is if you go to like the standard plan, so the tier above that, you're looking at spending $167 compared to the 97, where at the 97 you don't need to upgrade any further to basically compete with the $167. Plus, it still doesn't include the Chrome extension. So the 97 comes with the Chrome extension, it comes with the follow-up tool, it comes with all of these different tools, and right here, Jungle Scout doesn't have any of these tools, where Helium 10 only doesn't have the supplier database. So looking at this, let's talk a little bit about what Jungle Scout doesn't have. So it doesn't have Cerebro, which is a tool that I talk about in basically all my videos. It's one of my favorite tools. It has literally helped me so much optimize my listings, my PPC campaigns, product research. This by far, if you don't change from Jungle Scout to Helium 10, you need this tool by far. Hands down, it's the best in my opinion. Also, Jungle Scout doesn't have Frankenstein. Scribbles, which helps you basically optimize your listing. The index tracker makes sure that your keywords are indexed for the particular product. Alerts, this is an amazing tool. This alone is worth hundreds of dollars, because as soon as you have something changed on your listing, so for example, a Chinese hijacker, you're going to get alerted that someone is on your listing, whether they changed the image, whether they adjusted the price, you lost the buy box, and you're going to get a text in the middle of the night saying, hey, someone's on your listing, something changed, and then you can go in and change it immediately. So it basically alerts you and keeps you up to date. The Refund Genie, this is an incredible tool as well. I've recently used this, and I've been able to get refunded from Amazon hundreds of dollars that Amazon owes me because of the Refund Genie. Now, you may think that that's crazy, but Amazon makes mistakes. They try to refund you everything that they owe you, but sometimes things slip through the cracks. And with this tool alone, it will pay for your monthly membership. So that's an amazing tool that Jungle Scout doesn't. Then you have the Review Downloader, which is an incredible tool to basically look at all the reviews and see what you need in your product. The Profitability Calculator, and then the additional plugins. So I'll just kind of show you those real briefly. Right here you'll see the rank in the category, and then the subcategory you'll see the ASIN. You can see if it's sold via FBA. You can see the seller, and then you can calculate the fees. And see how profitable you are. And then if you click on the product, there's also some other plugins right underneath that's going to show you kind of the sales ranking, the sales history, and even more data. And then it interlinks with X-Ray, which is the Chrome extension, the keywords, so Magnet 2, the Profitability Calculator, and it shows you the Revenue Calculator as well. So there's just so much that comes with it when you're comparing apples to apples that Jungle Scout just doesn't have any of these tools, and it's twice as much. I mean, just this plan, it doesn't come with the Chrome extension, is almost twice as much as the Helium 10 plan for $97. And the best part is that's not even to mention the coupon codes that you guys can get if you use AMZ Champions 10. You can get 10% off Helium 10 for life. So instead of $97 per month, it's $87 per month. Or for the first month, you can get it for $48.50. So you guys can have access to that if you use these different promo codes. And Helium 10 is way cheaper. It comes with more tools. Now, Jungle Scout, not to say that they're bad, what they provide is great. They have awesome tools. I have the Chrome extension, but the reason being is I got it 2 years ago and I have it for my entire life. So if I'm looking at now I have to pay $197 per year, that's kind of I don't really want to pay that. So Jungle Scout is a great suite of tools, but comparing apples to apples, as you guys can see right here, Jungle Scout just doesn't have near as many tools as Helium 10 does, and especially for the price. A lot of people think that $97 is expensive per month, but when you're comparing it to the competition of Jungle Scout, you're going to be paying a whole lot more. I mean, close to $200 per month, because right here, $197 for the annual, which is 17 bucks. You add that on, that's $200 per month, and to even compete with Helium 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed kind of this breakdown. Let me know what you guys thought and your opinion on Jungle Scout versus Helium 10. I know I'm kind of biased towards Helium 10 just because I've been using it lately and it had such an impact on my business. Again, I've used all of these tools inside Jungle Scout, and I really like them. It's just for the price and what comes with Helium 10, you just really no other software tool competes with it. So that's why I recommend Helium 10, and that's why I use Helium 10 inside my own FBA business. And now you guys can decide what tool you want to use for your own FBA business and what you want to buy, what you want to purchase, what you're willing to spend, whether it's $200 per month with Jungle Scout, the $97, or using my coupon codes, you can get it for even cheaper, $87 per month. It's up to you. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to join the Facebook group so that you guys can have access to this PDF. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and if you guys are new, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you guys did. We're slowly growing, and it's really fun to see, so I just want to say thank you guys for following along and supporting me, and for now, we will see you in the next video.